Your local weather authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
And we'll start you out this afternoon with an icy look at the new College Institute Skycam in Martinsville. You see those icicles that have slowly been melting as temperatures have crept above the 32-degree mark in Martinsville. So a little bit of sleet here and there. Notice kind of a mixed bag of precipitation, maybe a few snowflakes in parts of Wythe, Pulaski, Carroll, and Floyd counties. A little bit of sleet certainly possible closer to the Blue Ridge Parkway in Bedford and Botetourt counties. That's also the case in areas like Candler's Mountain, Rustburg, and Lynchburg. And a mix of rain, sleet, and freezing rain continuing across South Side. A few icy patches on the roads. Make sure you especially watch out for some sidewalks and things like that, though temperatures will climb above the freezing mark heading into the afternoon. So you see more green and less pink on future tracker here as we go through the next few hours, with the bulk of precipitation starting to shift along and east of the Blue Ridge Parkway throughout the afternoon. By the evening and overnight, we see clouds gradually decreasing and temperatures gradually decreasing as well. Area-wide, we're all in the same ballpark. By first thing tomorrow morning, we wake up to temperatures about 25 to 30 degrees and probably some frost on the windshield, though the only thing that may stop that is the wind. It's not going to be howling, but it will be breezy at times through our Tuesday with more sunshine as the wind comes in out of the northwest. We'll see gusts anywhere from about 15 to 25 miles per hour. And that, again, coming down the mountain could actually warm things up a little bit, at least compared to what we see out there today. Bedford, Rocky Mount, tomorrow 49 degrees. Pulaski and Blacksburg 44. Lexington 47. Lynchburg at 51. Danville at 52 tomorrow afternoon. And the warm-up continues through the rest of the week. The jet stream is an area of strong winds at airplane level, and that separates the cold to the north from the mild air to the south. So as it continues to move north, you see high temperatures reaching the 50s really through the rest of the week. In the New River Valley could drop down into the 40s briefly again by Thursday, but overall, not a bad second half of the week. More sunshine and more mild air. Highs low to mid 50s throughout the Highlands Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And south side sunshine and temperatures around 55 to 60 degrees Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Heading into Super Bowl Sunday, no doubt we're going to be colder, but what we're looking at here is the upper level air pattern. And so you've got the northern branch or northern half. That's the cold air. The southern half or southern branch is your moisture or your storm track. If these two pieces can gel together a little bit, you'd be looking at the chance for winter weather on Super Bowl Sunday. There's one piece of forecast data that says little too late. So it brings across a weaker storm with a low chance of winter weather on Sunday. There's another piece of forecast data that says they could actually play around a little bit. That would result in a stronger storm and the chance for some snow. At the moment, looks like the chance for winter weather Super Bowl Sunday is low, but it's at least a pattern that requires some attention for us here as we go through the next few days. You guys are experts on this by now. You know that when we're dealing with something 5 to 6 days away, things can change, and as they do, we'll make sure that you know about it on air and online. More sunshine, more of a breeze tomorrow, upper 40s and lower 50s, low to mid 40s in the higher elevations. Wednesday looking very nice with high temperatures well into the 50s, 40s mountains, 50s elsewhere. Thursday, low to mid 50s continue Friday and Saturday. And again, regardless of any kind of winter chance on Super Bowl Sunday, it is going to be much colder with high temperatures in the 30s and in the 40s.